everyone. Today we would like to present about human resource management. My name is Naramra from DEM 5. My metric card number is 01DEM18F 2008.
Hello everyone, my name is Kavineshwaran, son of Saravanan. My metric card number is 01-18F2007. Today we are here to present about the topic Human Resource Management. What is Human Resource Management? Human Resource Management can define as planning, organizing, directing, development, integration, maintenance and separation of human resource to the end of that individual, organizational and social objective are achieved. There are many aspects in objective of human resource management. So let's see what are the objective in human resource management. We have four objectives here. The first objective is social objective. This objective is ethically and socially responsible to the needs and challenge to the society while minimizing the negative impact to such as demand upon the organization. The second objective is organizational objectives. This objective to recognize the role of human resource management in bringing about organizational effective. Human resource management only means to assist the organization with the primary objective. The third objective is functional objective. Functional objective to department contribution and level of service or level appreciate to the organization's needs. The last objective in human resource management is personal objective. This personal objective to assist employees in achieving their personal goals. At least in so far, they are these goals encouraged in the individual contribution to the organization. This is necessary to maintain employee performance and certification for the purpose of maintaining, retaining, and motivating the employee in the organization.
Function of human resource management. Human resource planning. Human resource planning (HRP) returns to a process by which the company to identify the number of job vacant, whether the company has excess staff or shortage of deal with this excess or shortage. The second one is orientation and induction. Once the employee have been selected, an introduction and orientation program is conducted. This is another important area of HRM. The employee are informed about the background of the company, explain about the organization, structure and the value of work ethics, and introduce the other employees. Third one is job analysis design. Another important area of HRM is job analysis. Job analysis gives detailed explanation about each and every job in the company. Based on the job analysis of the company prepared advertisements. Fourth one is training and development. Every employee goes under training program which helps him to put up a better performance on the job. Training program is also conducted for exit staff and have a lot of experience. This is called reference training. Training and development is one area where the company spends a huge amount. Then performance appraisal. Once the employee has put in around 1 year of services, performance appraisal is conducted, that is the HR department check the performance of the employees. Based on this appraisal, future promotions, incentives, increments in the salary are decided. Industrial relations. Another important area of HRM is maintaining cordial relation with the union members. This will be help the organization to prevent strikes, lockout and ensure smooth working in the company. Recruitment and selection. Based on the information collected from the job analysis, the company prepared the advertisement and published them to the newspaper. This is recruitment. A number of applications are received after the advertisement is published. interview are conducted and the right employee is selected. Compensation planning and remuneration. There are various rules regarding to compensation and other benefits. It is the job of the HR department to look the remuneration and compensation planning. The last one is motivation, welfare, health and safety. Motivation becomes important to sustain the number of employees in the company. It is the job of HR department to look into the different methods motivation. Thank you.